Hi guys, welcome to Sharon's Tutorials. The first Zoom meeting that you experienced may have been just a video call with friends or family, and you might have thought it funny to give yourself an amusing name when you join the meeting. However, you're probably using it for business now or professional use, and the name you gave yourself, perhaps you called yourself Twinkle Toes or something, might not be suitable when you're on a call with your boss or a potential new client. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name before you join the meeting, as well as during the meeting, and also why you might not be able to change your name and what to do about it. So I hope you find it helpful. So let's crack on. So before the meeting, as a participant, in order to set your name before you attend the meeting, you'll need to click on Join a Meeting rather than clicking on the link that's sent to you in email. You need to enter the ID number and the passcode. When you receive an invitation via email, if you just click on the link, then you won't have the option of typing in your name. What you need to do first is sign out of any Zoom account that you might be logged into and click on Join a Meeting. Type in the meeting ID that you get from the email and type in the name that you want displayed during the meeting. You can also tick the box if you want the name to be remembered in future meetings, and then just click Join. You then need to enter the meeting passcode, which again is in the invitation email that you would have received, and then click Join Meeting and you should be in. So the next way of changing your name is once you're in the meeting as a participant, if you want to actually change it during the meeting itself. So what you need to do is click on Participants, and that opens up the participants in on the right hand side. So you can see here the host is Sharon's Tutorials, and I'm an actual participant here as well. So as the participant, in order for me to change my name, you hover over my name here, click on More and click Rename, and then you enter your new screen name, and again you can tick the box so that it's remembered for any future meetings, and then just click OK. If for some reason you don't actually see the option to rename yourself, you can see on here I've swapped over now, so this is now me as a participant, I'm not the host, and if I click on More, the only option I have is Edit Profile Picture. You might not even see the More button, you might just have Unmute, and that's the only option you have. So if you don't see the option to rename yourself, it's likely that the meeting host hasn't given permission to the participants to rename themselves. So what you can do is ask the host to change this during the meeting if you want to. They need to do the following steps that I'm about to show you. So I'm just going to make myself host again. Okay, so I'm now the host. And what you need to do is make sure that you're on the participants. So click on Participants and you can see it here. So now you go to the participants list on the right hand side, and there's 3 dots at the very bottom of the screen here. Click on there and you'll see an option here, allow participants to rename themselves. So if you tick that, just make sure it's been ticked, and then once you've done that, the participants will now be able to go over to the More button and rename themselves if they want to. That's how to change your name if you're a participant actually during the meeting. So the next way is to change your name actually in your account profile. So when you sign up for a Zoom account, by default Zoom will take your first and last name and use that as the display name. If you want to change this later, then you can do by editing your profile. So first log into your Zoom account and then click on Profile over on the left hand side. Next click on Edit to the right of your name and profile image. So you can see here the first name, last name, and the display name is automatically taken, the first and last name. So you just need to type in a new name that you want to be displayed. So if I just put it as Sharon, and then scroll down till you see Save Changes and click on that. Save User Info Success. So that means everything's been saved. So you can see here, that's my name, and there's my display name. So that's how you change your name, whether you are a participant or the host of the meeting. I hope you found it useful, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Until next time, happy learning.